So let's do the unboxing of the Starlink without cutting any fingers. My fingers are important to put all the Starlink together. So this is a RV Starlink, and it took 4 weeks to arrive. So we were very anxious to see what is going on. Let's do the opening. It's empty, as you can see. Nothing here. Empty. So this is the cover. This is a big antenna. So the feeds that we will not use because we have a plan for this. But there we go. It's a very robust metal, so it looks like it can handle a lot of pressure and a lot of weights on it. So they are nice, finished, good. Another little over, and then we have the big antenna with the motor inside. Inside here it's the motor that synchronizes with the satellite, and it have like this huge big wire to connect the antenna to the router. So supposedly these go to the router. I will not do it now, but I will let it slide here. Slide and click, easy to do it. And then we have instructions manual. Should be very straightforward. Look at this simple instruction manual. It's like 3-step installation, like basic 3-step installation. So we are not expecting any issues of the installation. And then we have the router with a little design. Here we'll connect the antenna, and here we'll connect the power supply. And the power supply is a simple cable power supply. The transformer for the voltage is inside the router, so it's not external, it's internal. And it's to connect two cables, this and that, put the antenna outside, and then install the app and do the configurations. This is the unboxing. You have a little manual here, and the rest is empty. So this is the unboxing, and after this we're gonna explain and guide you through the installation process and how do we gonna install this on our boat. So see you later. So hello, we are here to talk about the Starlink. It's the internet, satellite internet. So I want to talk about the installation that I made here. So maybe it works with you guys as well, and you can do it the same way that I did. I think it's a very good installation, so check it out and see if it's good or not for you. So this is the antenna of Starlink. It's a big antenna, so I put it here. Let me go a little bit far. So it's there. You can think that it may have a problem with the solar panel, but it doesn't. It already scans all the sky, and it doesn't see obstacles, because the main feature of this is to catch from the sky, so it points always up. So this angle here, let me show you this angle here. It's not enough to do any kind of blocking, so it's good. And to fix it, we found out with some help of friends that we can use fishing rod metal. So these are normally used to put the fishing rod. So you can grab this almost anywhere, and then you buy this plastic rubber converter from size. So from the size of the the antenna to the size of the rudder tube. I will leave the links of these products on the video. And then we did these here. So let me show you. I bought a bigger one, a big one to be big enough to pass the connector. So I didn't cut any cables, I just passed the connector through it, and then the rubber around it, I cut the rubber and then glue it after, so it be good and sealed for the water outside. And inside I just pass it all the boat from that corner to here, the storage, our storage unit. And let me show you. So this is our storage unit, and our Starlink it's here, and the cable it's coming from there up there, passing up the washing machine and to the controller. And this is how it's our installation. And now let me show to you what we are able to collect here. So then you go to Starlink application. Application, it's sorry about the music. So the Starlink application, and here we can check the velocity even in a day like this one, that it's pretty cloudy and it was raining. So this is a very, so yes, here normally it goes to 100 or 100 and something, but that is on a good day, a good weather day, so it doesn't have clouds or not so intense clouds. But today it's rainy outside and it's very cloudy, and I get tops 14 megabytes, that it's still a very good internet, and but not so good when it's clear skies. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoy it, and if you have any questions about the Starlink or any questions about the installation, just leave it on the comments and we will reply as soon as possible. So thank you, see you on the next movie.